Hi everyone! Today we're going to be talking about primary research and how it's different from secondary research. Don't worry, I'm going to make it super simple. So really simply, primary research is you are conducting your own research and you get to choose what goes in the study. You get to choose the topics, you get to choose the methods. It is your research. It may be more precise, it may be more specific to your industry, to your business question, which is a benefit. However, space is limited because you are only conducting one primary research study. On the other hand, there is secondary research. Secondary research is research that is already conducted. You open it up, whether you're looking on Google or Bing, and you're trying to identify what other research is out there. There also is secondary research made available by large research companies or even small boutique shops as well. The idea is someone else conducted research. You are going to identify what are all the data points within their research that could be valuable to you. You may find some things that are a little mismatched. You may be able to triangulate how that may impact your business decisions, but still, there are things out there that you can pull and weave into your story. Secondary research is really great because for the most part, it is very economical. You can get a large amount of data for very inexpensive because that secondary source is serving multiple partners. There are agencies out there that their business model is to support researchers with secondary research. When you are trying to answer very specific business questions, you are going to want to choose primary research. Primary research is an investment. It is something where you do have to either invest time, effort, costs to conduct. However, it can be very specific and answer business objectives will ensure that you have a high ROI or a high return on your investment. The best case is laddering your secondary research with your primary research. First, start looking at secondary research. Understand from a broad market view, what are the trends? Learn about your competitors, learn about your industry. Then you can be able to conduct very specific primary research studies to have a higher ROI or return on your investment for your business. Again, both primary and secondary are important. The purpose of research, no matter if you're conducting market research, user research, product research, is to identify the findings. Then you ladder it up to the insights, and then you ladder that up into the so what. What does that mean for the business? The goal is to make sure that you're able to have more output from the research and then be able to influence the different products and services that your company offers. Thank you so much. I hope to see you next time. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.